Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum all of my friends. Welcome in K.Z Kitchen. Such as you know friends, we are working with breads. Today's bread is challah bread. Challah means portions. It is also called a braided Jewish bread, which is eaten during special occasions. Today we will learn how to make challah bread in simple, easy and quick way. And definitely you will be able to make this bread also at your homes. Let's see what are the ingredients. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon sugar and half teaspoon salt, 1 egg white, 2 tablespoon ghee or butter, 2 teaspoon yeast. Mix these well. Okay. Now I'm gonna add lukewarm water or a little bit hot water in it. I am adding 2 cups hot water or lukewarm water. Okay, now it's mixed. Now I will add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, now I will knead it very well with the help of my hand. Now it's gonna be ready. I will grease it with ghee. If you are working with butter, so you can use butter also. Okay, knead it well. Now I'm gonna cover it with any lid or napkin and I will leave it for 1 hour. Okay, here I have 1 potato, it's boiled. I will get it mashed and then we will add some ingredients. What I'm gonna do with this boiled potato, I will make a stuffing for our today's bread, challah bread, which are we gonna learn. Okay, let's mash. Now it's mashed. Add half teaspoon black peppers, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon barbecue sauce, 1 tablespoon or 1 teaspoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon cream cheese. Now mix these ingredients together. I said 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. It's up to you how much do you want to grease it or do you want to eat some spices. That's why. Okay. After mixing, I will make it some kebabs. Those kebabs we will stuff in our bread. Okay. Follow the steps how I'm making. Okay. That's it. Let's prepare all of these. Okay. Now these are ready. Let's see what about our dough. MashaAllah, it's already fermented. Okay, let's get it on counter and knead it a little bit. We will knead and we will give it some folds. Such we need for preparing our bread. You have to follow the steps same. When we eat any bread, we see the folds inside the bread. That's a method by which we can make our bread smooth and folded. Now I have made a ball of this dough because I'm gonna get some parts. of this dough. Let's see. I'm using my chopping knife. If you have a spatula or any other sharp thing, so you can use. First, we will work with our half dough. You can see the layers in this. Keep it inside. Okay. Let's get its more parts. How much we need for a bread. Okay. I will make its dough balls and then I will give them rest about 30 minutes further. Keep pressing and pinching and rolling and make like this dough balls. After 30 minutes, I have rolled a dough ball and I have made a rectangular shape. We need its center. On top, we will stuff our potato kebabs, and further part will be used for making bread. Okay, I have placed this kebab. Now, first, what do I have to do? I will seal the top and then we will hide our kebab inside the bread dough like this. Keep pinching and keep sealing. Okay, we will do it complete with same process. Okay, like this. Now we need a pizza cutter. With the help of pizza cutter, we will get 3 equal parts of this remaining dough because we have to make bread. Okay, let's make it. We have to keep these portions flat. Follow the steps as it is. Okay, mashallah. Now we will seal or press the ends and we will keep it on our stuffed part and then we will seal it downside. Okay, now it's ready. Now I will brush the egg wash. I took 1 egg yolk and then I add 1 tablespoon milk. Okay, now I'm making my other challah bread. You can see the process. How did I make a long rectangular shape? I have kept my first bread for baking. Okay, stuff inside. Now make its 3 equal parts like this. Now make its bread. Okay, you have to bake your bread until it's nice color like this and seal from downside. Now brush the egg wash. And friends, there you go. Mashallah, 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 our challah bread is almost ready. It's too much pretty, and like this also it is very tasty. Did you see, friends? Little bit effort, we made a beautiful and delicious meal for us. I hope you liked my video. If you liked, definitely you will share, subscribe and like my video. See you soon, inshallah ta'ala. Till then, Allah Hafiz.